Let's learn the 50 states of America and their capitals. Alabama. The capital of Alabama is Montgomery. Alaska. The capital of Alaska is Juneau. Arizona. The capital of Arizona is Phoenix. Arkansas. The capital of Arkansas is Little Rock. California. The capital of California is Sacramento. Colorado. The capital of Colorado is Denver. Connecticut. The capital of Connecticut is Hartford. Delaware. The capital of Delaware is Dover. Florida. The capital of Florida is Tallahassee. Georgia. The capital of Georgia is Atlanta. Hawaii. The capital of Hawaii is Honolulu. Idaho. The capital of Idaho is Boise. Illinois. The capital of Illinois is Springfield. Indiana. The capital of Indiana is Indianapolis. Iowa. The capital of Iowa is Des Moines. Kansas. The capital of Kansas is Topeka. Kentucky. The capital of Kentucky is Frankfort. Louisiana. The capital of Louisiana is Baton Rouge. Maine. The capital of Maine is Augusta. Maryland. The capital of Maryland is Annapolis. Massachusetts. The capital of Massachusetts is Boston. Michigan. The capital of Michigan is Lansing. Minnesota. The capital of Minnesota is St. Paul. Mississippi. The capital of Mississippi is Jackson. Missouri. The capital of Missouri is Jefferson City. Montana. The capital of Montana is Helena. Nebraska. The capital of Nebraska is Lincoln. Nevada. The capital of Nevada is Carson City. New Hampshire. The capital of New Hampshire is Concord. New Jersey. The capital of New Jersey is Trenton. New Mexico. The capital of New Mexico is Santa Fe. New York. The capital of New York is Albany. North Carolina. The capital of North Carolina is Raleigh. North Dakota. The capital of North Dakota is Bismarck. Ohio. The capital of Ohio is Columbus. Oklahoma. The capital of Oklahoma is Oklahoma City. Oregon. The capital of Oregon is Salem. Pennsylvania. The capital of Pennsylvania is Harrisburg. Rhode Island. The capital of Rhode Island is Providence. South Carolina. The capital of South Carolina is Columbia. South Dakota. The capital of South Dakota is Pierre. Tennessee. The capital of Tennessee is Nashville. Texas. The capital of Texas is Austin. Utah. The capital of Utah is Salt Lake City. Vermont. The capital of Vermont is Montpelier. Virginia. The capital of Virginia is Richmond. Washington. The capital of Washington is Olympia. West Virginia. The capital of West Virginia is Charleston. Wisconsin. The capital of Wisconsin is Madison. Wyoming. The capital of Wyoming is Cheyenne. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.